Back during the moon landing and many other well-publicized space shuttle launches, most of the attention was on the astronauts. All the planning, designing, development, and management of resources comes to fruition when we see people make it into space. The astronauts did very little of the development or administration of the project, but they do a good job of representing the progress that was made. During a quarterly corporate report for Wall Street, the executive or PR agent handling the shareholders' call might know little and nothing about SQL or databases. The database is critical to this announcement, however, and the person delivering the news needs to represent us well and understand what the data coming out really means. The value of the database comes from the ability to get the data you want out at a time when it is needed. The database must be built correctly, which is the job of the developer and database architects. The SQL database administrators, or DBAs, do not have a big role in creating the database, yet they are in high demand for the job market. Just what is database administration, and what is expected of the DBA? The local grocery store near me closes about 11 p.m. at night. It looks like the lights are on for another hour while they close, and then they're out and they lock the doors and completely shut down until the next day. We never expect the police or fire departments to be completely shut down. Think of some of the things in life we expect to be working at all times, like hospitals. Most databases are in the category of things that should never go down, and they should always be available. With the budget you're given, what's more important for you? The database to be as fast as possible, or to be really dependable? As a DBA, the company will tell you what its goals are, and you need to make recommendations on what will achieve those goals. To do that, you need to have the skills of a DBA. What are you expected to learn to have the skills of a DBA? The role of database administrators includes database installation and deployments. It also includes monitoring the system, improving database performance, keeping the database running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, round the clock. They also need to ensure the data availability with live spare systems and backups, and how to implement both. And they need to coordinate and implement security measures to safeguard the database. As long as the business needs a database, it needs a database administrator. And that will do it for Lab 1.1 on Database Administrators. What do we got next? Lab 1.2, Basic SQL Installations.